Namaste students, I hope you are all fine at home. So when transfer company or the vendor company or the seller company uh, wants to transfer its business to transferee company, so some main accounts it has to open. Those accounts include realization account, transferee or purchasing company account, shareholders account, and cash or equity shares account or preference shares account or debenture account if it is of transferee company in its book. So that's why, because it has to transfer all those to the transferee company. Transfer company has to transfer. First, let us see what all entries here. Closing entries are to be passed in the books of transfer company. So, in the books of transfer company, some books here, some journal entries are to be passed to here to close the books of entries. First thing is what will take for transfer of, remember, for transfer of all assets and provisions. So, if you want to transfer all assets and provisions, then it should be here transfer to realization account, just like it is realization only, just like here like it is selling. For all assets and provisions, first we will pay here assets are debited to realization account. So realization account is to be debited with assets. So realization account means realization account debit side we have to write to asset. Realization account debtor any here is that is to be debited. Remember, that is to be debited to realization account. Any asset value is there. Then any provision is there, that also is to be debited to debited. The provision account is to be debited on the asset. Any provision is there, then provision account also must be debited with the asset. Remember, so see both the realization account and the any provision is there must be debited here with the asset, and asset account must be created with here the realization as well as provision account. Two asset account means asset account is here created here. So asset account is created, right? Asset account created here. Like this we have to pass the first entry. Now just now we transferred all assets and provisions to realization. Here all assets and all assets we transfer to realization and provision account. So as now asset transfer of assets over. Now we'll see next what we have to do is we have to transfer the liabilities. So second point is here what we have to do is transfer of all liabilities. So here realization account must be created with the liabilities. So liability means liability account must be debited, right? All the liability account must be debited. So each liability account here debtor, each liability account debtor to realization means in the realization account only credit side it should be written like by each liability. All the liabilities must be there. Maybe creditors or maybe bills payable or maybe any outstanding liabilities, all these are to be taken, right? Then all the assets are transferred, all the liabilities are transferred, right? And if any provisions were there, that also over here transferred. Now we have to find the difference. Coordinate asset method difference we have to find out the this one purchase consideration, right? Then we have to adjust now. Third point is for adjustment of purchase consideration. We have to adjust the purchase consideration, right? How much a transferee company has to give to the transfer company, right? That's why remember difference we have to find out. So that must be transferred to transferee company only. It is in the books of transferee company, but it is of what a transfer company's entries, right? Transferee company account debtor, it is transferee company account debtor to what here to realization account, same amount right there, same amount, no problem. Both side here according to accounting rules, for every entry there is a one debit and one credit entry. 2 4 aspects will be there. Then when adjusted, when purchase consideration is adjusted, transfer company has to receive purchase consideration from the transferee company, either in the form of shares or bank or cash or debenture, whatever the transferee company likes. Okay, likes means it must be very much related to business only, right? Then fourth one is for receipt of purchase consideration. In what form we are receiving purchase consideration, we don't know. Sometimes maybe in the form of shares. Okay, shares here, share capital it may be. Yes, say then it is done like that. Then share here, capital account must be here debited. Then if it is bank here, either the bank or in the form of check or in the form of any cash received, so that here that must be debited to transferee company, right there. Yes, any debenture is paid in here from the transferee company, that should be taken. So all these are to be debited because we are transferring this. We are transferring, so all the yes, columns must be filled like this. Yes, to which company it is? To transferee company. To transferee company. You can. I hope you all can see this. Yes. Then the next point is for selling the assets not taken over by the transferee company. If any asset is not taken by the not taken by the transferee company, then it is to be sold. Any asset is there, if it is not taken by the here transferee company, then that asset is to be sold. So yes, we will write fifth point for selling the assets not taken over by the company. When you are selling, what you are getting, either you get the cash or bank here check or something else which is very much related to bank, we are going to get. So that's why we will write bank or cash account debtor, bank or we don't know how much it is earned, we do here, that's why we are writing XXX mark here. Then so we have to write it is to be transferred to realization account. So to realization account, so same amount let us write, we'll write here same amount. Okay, yes, it is to be written like this. Then if any liabilities, any asset over, now we will come to the liabilities. If any liabilities are not taken over by transferring company, then realization account must be debited with the bank or cash, right there. For payment of liabilities now not taken over by here it must be transferee company. Then again realization account must be debited with that, and bank account must be here credit, same amount both the sides, you can write there. The next is 7 points for payment of realization or liquidation expenses. When realization process is undertaken, so then either the liquidator or the the person who is involved with this profession, he or she has to pay those bills. That's why for payment of realization account expenses, so what will see, What here you can write there? Point number A, what you can write here is, if expenses are to be borne by transferor company, if he is ready to borne this here. So when whom that what needed, they only do that. I hope things only. So you can write all expenses are to be borne by transfer company. Then this entry is to be passed. Then to bank or yes, to bank or cash. Is here any here liquidators or the liquidators, if they realize sell our assets and all this, that here so many expenses they have to incur. After incurring that expense, after realization of that, they take money from us. That's why realization account debtor to us, in the sense transfer company, to bank or cash account. The next point speaks. What next point speaks? If expenses are to be borne by transferring company, if expenses are borne by the transfer company, then in case of this, no need of any entry, I think. So no need this. Write this. Yes. If expenses are to be borne by transferring company, so what happens here? Transferring company bears the expenses. Transferring company bears the expenses. Then what is to be done? You see here. So then no need of any entry. Okay. Then if expenses are to be borne by transferring company are now paid. So by transferring company, if it is now paid, so you write there by transfer company. If it is reimbursed, then transfer company account debtor to bank or cash account. You are going to receive bank or cash. It is one way of doing the problem. Yes. Yes. If here, then same here, by here money is withdrawn by the transferring company, then bank or cash account must be debited. Bank or cash account must be debited to transferring company account. Here both the side you write XXX, right? Both side you write XXX. Yes, XXX is written here, right there. Yes, both side XXX is written, no problem. Yes, right there. Okay. Then again we'll go to 8th one. For transfer of preference, if any preference share capital is there, then how to transfer that? So transfer of preferential capital is there, then how to transfer is, first you transfer to you have to cancel the preference shareholders account. So preference share capital account must be debited. When you are here, usually share capital account are credited. If they are to be cancelled, what you have to do is just you give the debit entry for that, right? Preference share capital account debtor XXX, because real amount we cannot take here. Yes, to preference shareholders account, right there, to preference shares holders account. Yes. Then next is for payment made to preference shareholders. If again either preference shareholders can be paid either in cash or in here profits here, or in terms of debentures or anything it may be. So therefore right there, for payment of preference shareholders. So write there for payment of preference shareholders. What all can be paid? So first let us here give here preference shareholders are going to receive, that's why give them debit entry, preference shareholders account debtor, preference shareholders account debtor, to preference share company, preference shares in transferee company. So what all paid? Just you can see here, to preference share in transferee company. To preference holders in transferee company. Shares in transfer company, you can write there. Yes. To preference shares in transferee company. Yes. Dark will just write there. Then whom it is here again, it may be in the here we have to create. So we must create a debenture also, to debentures in transfer company. Maybe in the form of debenture also they can be given, maybe form of the equity shares or maybe in the form of debentures. That also can be given. Then next entry, last but one entry is for closing realization account. We have to close now realization account, because all other whatever transactions are to be here, journal entries are to be passed, we have passed. Now we have to close that here realization account. Now let us write the closing entries for closing of realization account. Right there for transfer of, if profit is there. So then first entry is there for transfer of profit on realization. So first we have to here realization account is to be debited. If here means we are writing debit side of the realization account. With what we are writing, because equity shareholders are the real owners of the business, they are getting two equity shareholders. Right there, two equity shareholders account. Yes. Yeah, like this you have to understand. The next entry is for transfer of loss. If loss is there, then it is to be transferred, because always we cannot expect profit. Loss also may be there. So for transfer of loss on realization, equity. So now equity shareholders there, equity, when profit is there, it was debited, credited. Loss is there, it must be debited to realization account. Right there, to realization account. Yes, to realization account. We've done it. Okay. Then last but one, for transfer of equity share capital, reserves, profit, etc. are there. For transfer of equity share capital, reserves, profit is there. So those are all to be transferred to respective capital account. First let us here transfer to here equity capital here account, or even any premium is there, that should be transferred to premium account. Then reserves are there, reserves account. Then profit and loss account is there. If profit is there, that only see we should go. Now entries here. Yes. Yes. This is next. It is to whom it is to be transferred. It is to, must be transferred to equity shareholders account. Right there, to equity shareholders account. To equity shareholders account, that will write there. Then for transfer of losses, if we are to miss any expenditure, so equity shareholders are responsible for that. For them, their account must be debited. Then with here it must be debited with what here? Profit and loss, if loss is there, here this must be debited to profit and loss account, and here preliminary expense account and discount if any is there, that should be borne by the here equity shareholders, only equity shareholders. Okay, then all these account must be, yes, these marks are written like this. Then lastly, for final settlement of equity shareholders, for what finally here account is to be settled. So equity shareholders all must be given all those here in the form of shares, in the form of debentures, or in the form of bank or cash. So right there, 2 transfer company account, then 2 debenture account, and it is 2 debenture account, and maybe in the form of cash also, to buy here cash account. Like this you have to pass the journal entries. Okay, thank you. I hope you are all fine at home. Yes, so right there. Yes, thank you. Do well the next coming examination. Yes, thank you a lot. Okay, yes.